Hi, how is everyone? I hope you guys are doing well. My name is Christina, and I'm with Arkansas Reiki. And I just wanted to talk today about crystals. People ask me about crystals, if they work, just different, they don't quite understand what they're all about. The crystal, it projects energy. So it takes a source um, from one end of the crystal and it will direct it. Sometimes it'll concentrate it, sometimes it'll dilute it, depending on what you want the crystal to do, it will do that. So they used to use crystals in radios, old time electronics. They would put crystals in there. I'm not exactly sure what for, but they would apply electricity from, let's say, the wall. You've got electricity from that source, apply it to the crystal to get the uh, electricity or signal or whatever you were wanting to do with it, to get it to go into a certain direction or to increase it, to help tune something in. You can use crystals to do that as well. And from what I understand, they don't use crystals in electronics anymore. It's all circuitry and things of that nature. But a crystal is based on a grid pattern. So when it's laid down, when it's formed, it forms in different layers, and it's kind of like a net. So if you take a crystal, let's say for the selenite, the way it was laid down in layers, and it has all these, it's almost like tubes, um, these straight lines. And so if you apply energy to one end, it's going to flow to the other end. And the electricity that comes from your wall isn't the only electricity in the world. The human energy field emits electricity as well. That's been measured, it's been photographed. So if I apply my human energy to a crystal, let's say from this end, it's going to take that energy and move it in this direction over, um, towards this end. And it's going to be kind of a broad area as to what happens at the other end. So if I was healing with it, if I wanted to use it for healing, I would take it and you could apply it to different areas of your body depending on the desired outcome, I guess is a good way to put it. A crystal like this, clear quartz, it has a point on it right here, and um, I could apply energy to this side, and the flow of the energy would go towards the point. It would concentrate it so that it would go out the end of the point. So I could apply the energy here, or I could also apply the energy here, and it would take it and draw it in and spread it out, depending on what I wanted to do with it. Um, this one I believe is a chrysocolla, and it's been polished. The raw crystals are better, I believe, for if you're thinking about directional energy. If you want it to go from point A to point B, like this one, the selenite. This one, apply energy like from your hand, and it's gonna just kind of go all over. It's not any particular direction, but it does work pretty good, um, using your hand. A crystal like this one, which is a cluster, it will kind of radiate it in multiple directions. So let's say you wanted to um, apply energy or something, let's say to one of your plants or your garden or something like that, a small garden, because this cluster isn't very big. You can apply energy and have the flow going out all the different directions that are in this cluster. So anyway, I hope this gives you an idea about what crystals can do. And like I said, the only energy in the world isn't coming from the wall. It's also coming from human beings. It's coming from Mother Earth. There's an energy that a lot of people talk about, the ether, that can be harnessed and used for free energy. And I like using crystals when I do Reiki at times. Sometimes it can help break up pockets of blockages, things of that nature. Um, and it's very subtle. It's not a harsh energy. Then that of course also depends on the size of your crystal as well, the size that you're using. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And we're about to get some rain. That's why the lighting is so horrible in here because it's overcast and about to rain on us. So until next time, bye.